What's wrong with your Coke dispenser? Is that normal? I don't want to break it.
Pull it a little harder, yeah, it's screwed up.
Great. I'm gonna pull Jesse's Coke thing and then I'm gonna break it all for $1 Coke.
Hello and welcome to an episode of Lamborghini TV.
Hey, whoa. That's my line. Hey, welcome to an episode of Lamborghini TV, and today we're at Jesse's Lamborghini Murcielago. I gotta get out of here. Jesse, hold the camera. This is watch how you get out of an engine. There we go. Don't get the top of my head. It's thinning. It's a couch. All right. So today we're at Uncle Jesse's house, and we're putting the Serpentine Belt. Serpentine. Serpentine?
Yeah, I think so.
Comment below if it's serpentine or serpentine. I don't know how you're gonna do the spelling.
It could be either.
Either way, but anyways, Jesse's gonna take us through how to put a serpentine belt on a 2002 Lamborghini Murcielago. He had all this off, when, a couple days ago?
Yeah, for cleaning and replacement of bearings.
And now we're just gonna put the belt on, and this is the process.
Yeah, so the trick, there's a reason why there's 7 millimeters right here. Now, a lot of guys don't know this, and I think they're taking things off they don't need to. But one thing that's kind of important, your AC compressor has one extra groove.
Yeah.
So that one, the one that faces the motor, you leave it empty.
Oh yeah?
So yeah, so if you put it on wrong, it'll jump the belt.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Well, did you just move is the alternator loose?
Yeah, it's loose. So I took the pinch bolt out. There's a pinch bolt that locks it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's free here. So your adjustment is here.
Yeah.
You got your adjustment in your alternator with this screw, which we're gonna go over.
Yeah.
And you also have this tensioner here, which is tricky to get at. You need a fancy wrench like that.
Yeah.
To get in there to release the tension on it. And then when you see how we set the tension, that's kind of neat. We're going to use a smartphone app for that.
Okay.
Yeah, because it has to be 155 hertz.
Of course it does.
Yeah.
You know, has to be 155 hertz on, I guess, playing it like a guitar.
Yep. Now you push that down.
Yep.
And it just gives you that extra bit to slip that on. There it is. It's on.
That was easy. And the best part about this whole process is Jesse already had this done. I'm like, hey, I want to make a video though. So he had to take it all off just for me to come over, do it all over again. So
we have an app here, the Gates Carbon Drive app. And that's going to tell me the frequency of the belt, if you watch this. 123.
Yeah.
So
how are you turning the motor?
So I got a 24 mil socket on ratchet. Yeah. And the motor turns counterclockwise from this direction. So I'm just turning it over by hand. I'm super strong.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, that's spec. 155 plus or minus 5.
All right, so did you see that? We just learned how to set the tension on a 2002 Lamborghini Murcielago V12 6.2 liter engine. And you know what I didn't do? I didn't tell you at the beginning of this video, so I'm gonna put this clip into the start of the video just after I jump out of the back of the car to hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you can see more of Jesse and more Jesse, fixing his Lamborghini engine. So we'll give you a minute. Hit that subscribe button. I'll lean on Jesse's car and scratch the paint.
It's clear up.
Oh, shit. All right, so I want to thank you guys very much for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of content. Jesse working, look at Jesse's doing. He's torquing something. And we'll just see you on the next one.